Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever struggled with a redness, a pigmentation, dark circles or discoloration on your face, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to breaking down everything about color correction and multiple ways to use a color corrector palette, then how you can use it on daily basis or if you are getting ready for a special occasion. So if you are a beginner or a pro, these tips will help you to get that perfect even tone complexion or a flawless piece. So first of all, you should know what is color correction and why do we need to do this. So color correction is a technique used to neutralize coloration on the skin by using opposite shades from the color wheel. If you will see this color wheel, this ensures an even skin tone before applying foundation, so your makeup looks flawless all day long as you can see now. तो यहाँ पर अगर आप color wheel देख पा रहे हैं तो जो भी primary colors हैं, यहाँ पर जो भी mention primary colors हैं, these are all our skin concerns and जितने भी इनके complementary color और opposite colors हैं, ये सब इनका एक solution है जिससे हम कलर करेक्शन करते हैं. एंड जब भी आप प्राइमरी एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर को मिक्स करते हैं तो यू विल गेट अ ब्राउन कलर. दैट्स आवर स्किन कलर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल बी अंडरस्टैंड द कलर करेक्शन शेड. For this, I will be using Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palettes in a 3 shade variants that comes with concealing, correcting and contouring. If you are facing some redness, rosacea or irritation or some inflammation on your skin, then you can color correct that area by using green color corrector. If you are facing some dark circles, pigmentation or any kind of blue problem on your face, then you have to use a peach color corrector or orange color corrector according to your skin shade. If you want to slightly brighten up your under eye area, then you can use yellow color corrector. And if you are facing some dullness or pigmented or tainted or yellow area on your face, then you can use a purple color corrector. Then you just have to set it with a translucent powder. Once your color correction is done, apply your foundation with a damp sponge or brush. Patting motion will help keep the color corrector in place. Now I have these 3 color corrector palette which I am going to explain everything. So if I will talk about this color corrector palette, this is perfect for light to medium skin tone or fair to medium skin tone. This is very perfect. And if I will talk about this 2 color corrector palette, this is perfect for medium to a deep or darker skin tone. These all can be used on a fair skin, and these 2 can be used as a color corrector because you can do color correction by using a 1 to 2 darker shade concealer, or you can use any pigmented like a peach color corrector or orange color corrector. Because fair skin person might have a very intense dark circles, then you have to use a orange, and if you don't have a very intensifying dark circles, then you can use a peach color corrector or a dark concealer shade. If I will talk about this color corrector palette, this is very perfect for medium to dark skin tone person. So if you will see, it has a 2 concealer shades that you can use as a color corrector or a concealer. If you want to brighten up your under eyes, you can use a yellow color corrector. And purple, if you are facing some tan area, pigmented area, yellowness on the face, then you can use purple color corrector. To have a darker to deep skin tone, then you can use this color corrector palette, and this is very perfect, I am telling you. Basically this palette has some pigmented concealers that you can use to change a color corrector shade. So basically the right color corrector shade depends on your skin tone. If you have a fair, then you can use a lighter shades. If you have a medium, then you can use this second palette or first palette as well. And if you have a darker to deeper, then you can use this third palette. You can use any color corrector palette obviously for a color correction according to your skin concerns. If you are facing dark circles, redness or discoloration or pigmented, then you only have to do color correction, okay? But if you are not facing any skin concerns, like you don't have very intensifying under eyes or some redness, acne marks, then you don't need to do all the time, okay? You can just simply do by your concealer. Next, you can use as a spot concealing. Spot concealing means you are having some slightly marks on your face and you just don't want to apply a whole foundation, then you can only do a spot concealing. Next use of the color corrector palette, where you can use any darker shade concealer for contouring. You can just have to use 1 to 2 shade darker for do contouring, like hollow of your cheekbones, your jawline, your forehead, your like nose area. So next you can use as a highlighting. You can use any brighter shade like this or like this. You can just use any brighter shade to do a highlighting on your face. Next, use of the color corrector palette to change the undertone of the foundation. Like you can use a blue or purple shade to change any warm product into a cool shade. You can just use a green color corrector to convert into a olive undertone foundation. If you have any cool undertone foundation, then you can convert it into a warm undertone by using yellow or a orange color corrector. Like common mistakes you do as a color correction, like you are using too much product or not blending that product properly or over blending it. Most important thing that you are skipping your translucent powder on your color corrector, otherwise your color corrector pigment can mix with your foundation or make it more orangish or yellowish. And that's it, a simple yet effective way to use a color corrector palette for a flawless base. Whether you have a dark circles, acne scars or redness, this technique will help you to achieve a smooth and even complexion. Guys, so if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any concern or if you have any question. You can just do let me know in the comment section. We are going to reply to you soon.